Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GitHub Actions for automated checks and deployment step by step clearly. To activate GitHub Actions for automated checks and deployment, begin by navigating to your GitHub repository. In the repository, locate the Actions tab at the top of the page. Click on the Actions tab to access GitHub Actions features. You will see a list of suggested workflows based on your project type. Select a suggested workflow that fits your needs or choose to set up a workflow yourself by clicking Set up a workflow yourself. This action will take you to an editor where you can create your workflow file. In the editor, you will be working with YAML syntax to define your workflow. Start by naming your workflow at the top of the file using the name field. For example, you can name your workflow CI for continuous integration. Next, specify the on field to define the events that will trigger the work. Common triggers include push and pull _request. Specify which branches you want these triggers to monitor, typically this is the main or master branch. After that, define the jobs that will run when the workflow is triggered. Add a jobs key to begin this section. Within the jobs section, give your job a name, for example, build. Each job will require a runs on field to specify the operating system, such as Ubuntu latest. Next, you will need to define the steps that the job will perform. Use the steps key to start listing these actions. Begin the steps section by checking out your code using the actions/checkout action. This action allows the workflow to access the files in your repository. Next, you can add additional steps to run tests or build your application. For example, to run tests with Node.js, you can use npm install followed by npm test. If you're deploying your application, you will add another step specifically for deployment. For instance, you can use actions like pcirus/actions pages for GitHub pages deployments. Once all your steps are defined, review your YAML file for any syntax errors. When you're satisfied with the workflow, click on the Start Commit button to save your file. Choose or create a branch for this commit and provide a meaningful commit message. Finally, hit the Commit Changes button to save and activate your workflow. Your GitHub Actions workflow is now set up and will automatically run checks and deployment based on your specified triggers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.